Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notification settings, just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to get email notifications when someone here adds a new tag for your number. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.